Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to publish a draft video on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Facebook, a like page, and a video that we have uploaded to Facebook Creator Studio. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio via a shortcut within our bookmarks and make sure that we are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content and look at the video that's on top that has been published. So Mac Computer Terminal Commands Tutorial 10. Let's go to Drafts. We now know that we are publishing Tutorial 11, which is 586. If I was to, let's just say, click on this video by clicking on Edit Post, this will now bring up the upload options where we can edit, optimize, and publish. Let's now open up a new tab. Let's now go to YouTube Creator Studio, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into your YouTube Creator Studio. Go to Content. Let's now fast forward this and locate that video that we are extracting information from, copy and pasting. Once we have located that video, let's now go into Details, take the title, Command A, Command C to copy, video title, Command V to paste, acquire for the description, Command A and C, copy, Command V to paste, upload an image, go back to video details, take that image, option, download, right click, save image as 11.jpg, click on save, go back to Meta Business Suite, upload the image, 11.jpg, click on upload, and then add your tags. Let's now click on Next. Media optimizations, monetization tools, everything has been ticked and selected. Go to Next. We will now be clicking on Share Now, add to a playlist, select playlist, terminal commands for a Mac, users, click on Share. Let's now wait for this to publish. Let's now quit Meta Business Suite, open up a new tab, go back into Facebook Creator Studio, go within Content. We can now see that Tutorial 11 has been published within Content, Post, and Reels. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.